no hairs, nowhere. We don't like hair. We don't like body hair. You know what I'm saying? We don't like body hair. Okay. What's up, guys? It's your girl Krystal Nykole. Welcome back to your girl's channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming and checking your girl out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out though. Thumbs up this video as well and share it too. If you're an OG, thank you so much for coming back. So by the title of this video, we already know it's hot girl summer, right? It's hot girl summer. You know, with hot girl summer comes with hot girl coochie and hot girl problems. You feel me? You feel me? So that's what I'm here for. I'm here to give you some bomb products that you can use this summer and throughout the year. But it's really hot girl summer related. You feel what I'm saying? I have some stuff that's perfect for summertime as far as makeup and also your body. So what you want to get first? You want your makeup first or you want the body first? We're going to start off with some tools. This right here I got from Dollar Tree. It's just like the little body scrub glove or whatever, and it's so good. And I got this little brush from Dollar Tree as well. It's like an exfoliating brush, as you can see. Hopefully she will focus. There she go. There she go. Yeah, it's just an exfoliating brush. So what I use this for is I exfoliate under my arms and my vajayjay area and my bikini line, because when you're washing under your arms, you don't necessarily get all of the deodorant off, right? So you want to make sure that it's all clean down there. So I use this and I exfoliate under my arms, and like before I get ready to shave down there, you know, a little self-care, I go ahead and I exfoliate with this as well. But I have a different one. I use one for my underarms and one for my bikini area and my, you know, good stuff like that. So I use that. I also use this glove here. I have 2 of these. These are only $1. I got these from Dollar Tree, like I said, and I use this when I'm exfoliating my skin with my scrub or my body wash. So these 2 products are really good to have for summer. You want to get all that funk off of you. You don't want to have none of that. No time for that. So go grab that. Super cheap. And speaking of deodorant, I use this Arm & Hammer Essentials deodorant in the Smell Fresh. It's so clean, it's so fresh. It doesn't have any aluminum in it because they say that's linked to breast cancer. We ain't got time for all of that. So I picked this up and it smells so good. It's a clear stick. I think this was only $1.88 at Walmart. So this is really good too. Speaking of men's body wash, I got this from the Dollar Tree as well. This is like a knockoff version of the original Irish Spring, but it smells just like it. I'm here to save y'all some coins. We can all smell good and look good. We ain't gotta spend $1,000, hundreds of dollars to do that. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm here for. So I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's an ultra fresh body wash for men, and like I said, it's the knockoff for the Irish Spring. It smells just like it, and it was only $1. And so I will use these 2 and I will scrub my body really good. I will get all that nasty gunk sweat off of me, and I want to make sure my body and my skin is super, super, super clean. And I love a clean, fresh smell. I'm gonna keep it with the body stuff. And so I got the Bohemian Escape Shea Sugar Scrub, and it has turmeric in it. And everybody knows turmeric is really good for your skin. It brightens your skin. It gets rid of those dull, all that good stuff. Like, you don't want none of that. Oh, and it smells so good. Like, this one smells so good, y'all. Go grab this. Go grab it. It smells so good. And I use this as a scrub, like before I get ready to shave my legs, or, you know, wherever I'm shaving. I use this to go ahead and exfoliate my skin really, really good. And I'll use my glove as well. And then I'll go in and shave, because it gives your skin more of a smooth feel, so you won't have like ingrown hairs or anything like that. So it's always good to go in with a body scrub and scrub your skin and exfoliate before you shave. Okay. This is the same line, Tree Hut line, and this is the Bohemian Escape Moisturizing Hydro Light Gel. This is so freaking good, y'all. This is so good. I use this in place of lotion during the summer because lotion can be kind of heavy and a little greasy and all that. This right here works like a charm. You can use this straight out of the shower on wet skin, or you can use it on damp skin. Whichever you prefer is up to you, but you can use it both ways and it works equally the same both ways. And it smells so good. And you know, summertime and just in general, being a woman, you want to always smell good. You want to be a whole snack all the time. You want to smell like a snack at any given moment. You feel me? Like any given moment, you want to be a whole snack. You feel me? We all know what this is. This is Tree Hut as well. Y'all know I love Tree Hut. I have so many Tree Hut, so many Tree Hut products. I love them. And you can see, like, this is almost gone. You see that? Like, it's almost gone. This is my Tree Hut Bare Moisturizing Shave Oil. I don't know why, I just love oils. I love anything oils. I'm not really big into creams or lotions or anything like that. So this is just my preference, and a disclaimer, what works for me may not work for you. Okay? But this right here is so good. It gets you the closest shave possible. The closest shave, and a good razor. I didn't grab a razor, but yeah, always have a good razor. I prefer to use men's razors when I'm shaving because they get real close shaves better than the women razors. But get a good razor, shave, do all that, and this right here, this stuff is golden. This is my all-time favorite. I featured this on my Instagram stories, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do so because I do leave a lot of makeup tips, things that I purchased, things that I'm loving, a lot of things that I don't bring to YouTube, I have on my Instagram story. So just make sure you check out my Instagram story as well. But this is the company, the Honey Pot. I'm very sensitive down there in my area. You know, it's known that you really shouldn't use anything with perfumes or scents or anything like that down there in your private area. So I picked up the Honey Pot, and this one isn't open. I still have one in my bathroom. I'm almost done with that one, but I like to stack up on these. This is the sensitive one. She has another scent as well. So, but this is the one I use. It's sensitive, and it's a Black-owned company. A Black-owned company. And this stuff works so good. She also has maxi pads. I feature those on my Instagram story. Because even in hot girl summer, you still, you know, you have your period and you still want to smell good. Those are infused with like different essential oils and stuff like that, man. They are the bomb. You hear me? And this right here, I swear by it. Just having like a good cleanser for your vagina is like, you need this. Right here is the Oil Sleep. I tried it on yesterday, and it's just an oil. So I'll put a little bit. It's an oil. And so I rub it in my skin, and it just gives your skin like such a nice glow. Look at that. Like, look. I don't know if you can really tell, but it gives your skin a really nice glow to it. And it smells so good. It smells like coconut. It smells so good. This stuff is so good, y'all. And it doesn't leave like a greasy feel. It absorbs into your skin. So you have your booty shorts on or whatever you have on your not no sundress because you know that covers your legs. But if you have your booty shorts on, put this on your legs, girl. Yes, put it on your arms, whatever. You just want to have that glow to you. You want that glow, you know. I picked up this from TJ Maxx because this shit is expensive as hell. Like, I think this in Target is like $21, and I got it from TJ Maxx for $7.99. And this is the Pacifica Coconut Glow Shimmering Hair and Body Mist, Coconut and Vanilla plus Shimmer and Glow. I love anything that smells like coconut. Anything that smells like coconut. If you talking about a scent other than a fresh smell, give me coconut and vanilla. I'm good. So this was perfect, and it smells. I really just use this. Oh my God. I really just use this for the smell. I think once it dries down, the shimmers really showed because it was like all in my daughter's hair. Because I love the scent. I love the smell of it. So I want to walk around smelling like a whole snack. Like, like, oh, she smells good. And I don't really, you know, I just like how it smells. It smells so good. And yeah, so I got this. They sell it in Ulta as well, but try your local Marshalls and TJ Maxx, Ross, or something like that before you just go spend $20-something on this stuff, because they have it for $7.99. Check it out. Last, as far as body care, is this Victoria's Secret Temptation fragrant mist that I picked up along with the Oil Sleek. This stuff smells, this smells so good, y'all. I just love smelling good. Like, you want to always smell good. You want to smell your best at any given moment. When you hop out the shower, you want to be smelling good. You know what I'm saying? So, girl. Yes, baby, this smells delicious. It smells so good. It's not like a strong scent. It's not a fruity scent. It's just like the perfect kind of, I don't want to say it's so much floral, but it's a woman's scent. It smells so good. So go grab this while it's on sale. It's only $6. So that is it as far as our hot girl summer body care, you know, smelling good. So let's get into some face products. I don't really have many face products, but what I do have are great things, and things that you really need to have on hand. First, starting off, I'm going to talk about this foundation. I featured this in my previous video. I don't know which video is going to go up first, but I did talk about this, and this is what I'm actually wearing on my face now. Like, this stuff is flawless, and it's matte finish. I picked this up from Target on a whim. I didn't go in there for this. I just actually saw this while I was walking down a makeup aisle. It's really good so far. I've had it on for a few hours because I recorded another video, 2 other videos with this foundation on. So I've had it on for quite some time, and I haven't had any problems. It doesn't feel tight or anything. It's so lightweight. Like, I don't think y'all understand what I'm saying to you. Y'all ain't hearing me. Go pick this up from Target for $20. Go grab it. I'll have my makeup foundation references down in the description box for you, so you'll know what shade you need to be getting. If you're my complexion, get 7.15. That's it. Y'all don't sleep on that. I'm trying to tell you. Next, we're going to talk about this Mahogany rose oil. It preps and brightens your skin. I use this with this look as well, and so far it's been very hydrating on my skin. Even if you have oily skin, you still have to prep your face. You have to make sure that it's moisturized and it stays moisturized so you won't overproduce any oils, right? So try this out. I got this from Walmart. I also picked up the Mahogany Prime and Protect. This has SPF 30 in it, and for hot girl summer, you really need to make sure that you keep your face covered in a great sunscreen protector. You want to make sure you don't want none of that going on. So make sure you always use some form of sunscreen, even if you're wearing foundation, especially if your foundation doesn't have any sunscreen in it. Like, this one doesn't have sunscreen in it, and a lot of them don't. So you always want to make sure that you use something with a good sunscreen in it. So pick this up, guys. And I also tried out the Milk Primer, the Hydro Grip Primer, and so far it's working really good. Like, I don't have any transfer or anything. Like, this is like nothing. And this seems to be really good. It's not really sticky or anything, so it works really well for oily skin. If you have oily skin, give it a try. I mean, it's hot as hell outside. You ain't got nothing to lose. Try this stuff and see if it works. This bronzer, oh my god, this is the Queen Latifah Ebony bronze. Remember, she had that bronzer out like some years ago. I still have mine somewhere. I wish I knew exactly where it was so I can like compare the two. But they recently came back out, and CoverGirl blessed us with bringing this back out, and I have it on now, and it gives you such a sun-kissed bronze look, and this is perfect for hot girl summer shenanigans. Give you that bronze glow. Like, if you just have just a plain face and some lashes, bronze it up, give you that glow like you just been kissed by the sun, you know what I'm saying? So So yes, grab this if you can. It's online right now at Amazon. This is where I got mine from. I haven't seen it in stores yet. I don't think it's in stores yet. So go ahead and try Amazon. It's only $7.99 or $8.99. It's always been amazing, but the formula is better and the pigment is much better. So go grab it and be sun-kissed. So yes, this is the EOS lip balm. You never want to forget your lip balm. Hot girl summer shit. You don't want no chapped lips in the summer. How you gonna have chapped lips in the summer? No ma'am. You see, you don't want no chapped lips in the summer, girl. Bye. You don't want your lips chapped and ashy. None of that. You want them supple, sweet, and kissable. Right? So guys, that is it. This is all my hot girl stuff for you that I have. That's it. This is it. Cut. So if you guys find anything in this video helpful, or if you go purchase anything, or if you've used any of these products, let me know down in the comments, because I would love to know if any of this works for you or has worked for you in the past or currently. You know what I'm saying? But thank you guys so much for watching this hot girl series right here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel, leave me a nice little comment in the comment section. So until the next video, I love you guys so very much. Mwah. See you soon.